Hi guys, welcome back to our channel where today we're going to show you a piece of furniture that we created for our own home, and we'll talk you through how you can create something similar for your own space. Okay, so let me show you my piece. This is a vintage pine corner cupboard. It's got absolutely tons of potential and so much storage. However, it's looking really quite tired and in need of a new makeover. First things first, I need to remove all of the old layers of wax. This all needs to come off because the paint won't adhere to the wax, so I'm removing this with my Barco carbide scraper. Always be sure to work with the grain to avoid damaging the wood. For my base coat, I've chosen drop cloth. This is part of the original chalk mineral paint line and is a gorgeous off-white. I will apply 2 coats of this as it's a pale colour and I want good coverage for the base coat. I'm using a synthetic bristle brush for a smooth finish. Now for the exciting part, time to try out the brand new Cobblestone. This is a gorgeous neutral from the new Cottage collection. I'm using a premium chip brush, which is a natural bristle brush, to apply the Cobblestone. I'm looking for a slightly rougher, thicker texture for this coat. So for the inside, I'm going for a really contrasting colour. So I've gone for In the Navy, which is obviously a dark navy blue, and I feel that this really complements the Cobblestone on the outside. So now I'm going to be distressing the Cobblestone so that you can see peaks of the white drop cloth beneath it. So to do this, first of all, I'm wiping the area with a damp cloth. This will help to soften the paint and allow me to distress easily. I will then come back with a 120 grit sandpaper and rub that in the areas where I want the natural distress look to appear. So to finish the piece, I'm going to be waxing using Best Dang wax in clear and brown. This is to help age the piece and also to add depth and character. So to apply the clear wax, I'm going to use my La Petite brush. I'm going to apply this all over the piece, and this is a great brush to get full coverage quite quickly. I'll only be applying the brown wax to the edges, so I'm using the French tip, which is another natural bristle brush which is essential for using when applying wax. Here you can see the difference that the wax makes to the piece. So I have applied it to the left side, but I'm yet to apply the wax to the right hand side. You can see that it really helps to add depth and character whilst also sealing the paint for protection. So here she is, all finished and staged. I think that you'll agree that the Cobblestone colour was the perfect choice for this corner cabinet. The subtle neutral tone of the outside paired with the contrasting deep blue on the inside is just a gorgeous combination. Thank you for joining us today as we worked on our latest project. If you'd like to see more of our work, you can go and follow us on all of the social media platforms at Cherubs Chalks Interiors. Here you can see it in situ in our cottage dining room. It's the perfect space for storing all of our pots and pans, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. If you'd like to be notified when we post our next videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.